is Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow. Pow. If you take a second and subscribe, also make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Also, hype your girl up. So listen, I need 15 offers for $5 for my midweek. We also have some bigger bonuses, and for that, all of the amounts are the same, $10. And I have one for $67 for $10. I have one for $127 for $10, and I have one for $187 for $10. So yeah, that should be pretty cool. I don't know if I'm gonna hit it. I mean, the 67, I'm pretty sure 67. I'm pretty sure I'll hit that one. I wonder who did that. Whose idea was that? Huh? YouTube headquarters? Whose idea? They were sitting around the table. And I was like, how about 67? 67, yeah. Anyways, I'll probably hit that one, but the larger ones, 127 and 187, I'm not really too sure about that. But listen, as far as today, I should pretty much hit this bonus. It should be pretty easy. I'm gonna do the chip deal again advanced. Today's the last day with the 4 off 4. So I'm gonna do that deal again. And then I saw somebody post a deal on the Belvita, which is one of my favorite little breakfast cookies. So I'll probably do that deal as well. Other than that, what else? One of you guys asked about Upromise. Upromise pays you out automatically the first week of each month. And today is the 3rd. It cashed me out today. I was trying to do as many offers as, like, I don't really be pushing Upromise until like it's closest to the end of the month when I know they're going to pay out. Because I feel like if I do the deals earlier in the month, I have to wait longer to get paid. So I always wait till like the last week or so of the month, and then that's when I do deals. And so they did cash out today, and you can add your PayPal to it by just adding your routing number. You can get your routing number for PayPal in your settings, and I did that for both Upromise and Field Agent. So that's pretty cool. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I like to keep all my money in my PayPal. Like, I don't even want it to look at my bank account, my regular bank account. And so that's just a tip for those of you who use Upromise and Field Agent, because I know for a lot of people, like, that's the biggest thing that it has to cash out to your bank account, but you can add your PayPal as well, which is cool. And so with that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you're going to do, hit the like button and keep on watching. Alright, so first up is the Totino's. It's on the Ultimate Pizza. Looks like they have, 3 flavors? This is a freebie. Well, it's like kind of, sort of. Might be like a freebie on Betry Board. It's 1,000 points, which is almost kind of, sort of like $1. For every $1 you spend. So we'll pay 3, we'll get that back, making this kind of, sort of, almost free. We're moving. The next deal is on the Simply Organics on the brown gravy. This popped up for me on Field Agent. So you'll pay $174, get back $4.74 plus 50 cents on Ibotta, making this a $3.50 moneymaker. Next up is the Milton's gluten-free. It's only on the jalapeno flavor crackers. They're priced at $3.64. It's not a freebie. We're getting back $3.48 from Ibotta. It's also available for Walmart Rewards as well, so I'll definitely be doing that as well. I'm making them a 16-cent, well, a net cost of 16 cents per bag. I know. Don't tell me y'all tired of seeing this deal, because I'm not tired of doing it. And the offer went up to $4.50. I was like, what? And so, Hillshire, they are priced at $3.76. Of course, some of them are priced at $3.56. I'm going to grab this one down here. So 2 of them is going to be $7.52. We'll get back $4.50 on Upromise. And a total of $1.80 on checkout 51. Makes them 61 cents each. And of course, we're going to max it out and grab 4. Alright, so next up is the Pure Leaf. I was going to do this deal, but it doesn't look like they have any of the zero sugar one. They're priced at $2.18, so 2 of them is going to be $4.36. We'll get back $1.50 for 2 on checkout 51 as well as Upromise. It brings it out to 68 cents per bottle. Alright, so here's a deal we don't see very often. It's on the soft scrub. These are priced at $3.77. We're grabbing 2. We'll pay $7.54. getting back $3 for 2 on Ibotta. There's a total of 800 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.20. Brings them down to 67 cents each. Yeah, look. I was so happy they restocked. I grabbed some yesterday. They still had like 2 left. I knew I should just grab them yesterday, but I didn't. I was coming back on a wish and a prayer that they was going to have them still here, but they don't. So for this deal, we're grabbing the multivites. I just gave my sister a bunch of them yesterday. And so they're priced at $5.98. Now for this, you would grab a total of 2 of them. Well, we're going to grab 4 of them. The total is going to come to $23.92. I'm using the $3 coupon from coupons.com. You'll pay $11.92, getting back a total of $18 from Upromise. 6 on Ibotta makes it a $12.08 moneymaker. Now, if you don't want to submit to Ibotta, or if you're not one to get the rebate with the coupon, just don't even do Ibotta. It will still make them all free, plus like a $6 moneymaker. All right, y'all, listen. I was just talking to a follower. Listen, look, I came yesterday. You see they don't have none here. They're clearancing a lot of stuff out. I was able to get the Dove, the seasonal ones, for $2. $2 back on Ibotta or Walmart Rewards. They only had 5, so I got 3 for Ibotta and then 2 for Walmart Rewards. Making them free. They also have the native body wash as well. They have the seasonal ones. That's the winter cashmere. They had a pumpkin scent one. They have an orange one up there. That one is also $3 as well. Buy 2 at 3, pay 6, get back 3 for Walmart Rewards. Make some $1.50 each, which is definitely not a bad deal. So definitely check this area, because I was like, that's an awesome deal. And I'm really hoping that it resets for Walmart Rewards, because if it does, I'm going to do it again. I did it on both of my accounts. And so definitely check this area for clearance, because they have a ton of it in this area. The other thing that I did find was, oh, this is it. I found this one yesterday. It's $1.50. I'm going to grab this one for Walmart Rewards. All right, so it's $1.50. And you're going to submit for Ibotta, get back $1. There's also 75 cents on the sister apps as well. It'll make it a 25-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this one as well. Just definitely not a bad deal. I almost forgot the axe. It's right here.
¿Cuál era?
$4.98. It's only this one that's working. So you're going to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $9.96, getting back 8 on Ibotta. Makes them 98 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal considering they're normally like $8. But this one's $5, which is cool. And so yeah. That being said, see you home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. So here is our complete haul for today. What most excites me, did I say that right? What excites me most about this haul is the body wash. By far. I'm so excited about that deal. The Belvita is at Vons. They're $1.99 each. Buy 2. You'll pay like 4. There's a $5 gift card promotion with that. It's a limit of 1. I'll have a link in the description. This one here is like my favorite one with coffee. So good. And then the chips, that didn't work out. Well, it worked out, but for some reason they all scanned for regular price. And then the 4 off of 4 digital didn't come off either. So the cashier had to work her little magic. I felt a little bad because the person behind me only had like 1 item. But look, my total was $25 for these 6 products. $25. I was like, no. When she finished it, it came down to, look, $7.94. Why, might I ask, would I pay $25? I know some of y'all, well, not some of y'all, because we know y'all better than that. Some people might just be like, oh, okay, and pay the $25. Look, I'm not those some people. I don't do that. There's a lot I could do with that extra money that I can't get a deal on. All right, so, but it did work out in the end. Got back 50 cents for each of the Vickies, and then $1.50 for the Simplies for 2. It makes them like 36 cents each. Same deal that I did in my last haul. I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna have Josiah try this tonight and see if he likes it, because he really likes pizza. And we've been kind of playing with different recipes for making homemade pizza, and he hasn't really liked anything. So hopefully he'll like that. And so other than that, what? Oh, I want to mention Frisbee. For those of you, if you're using Frisbee, it's just a simple app. You just scan receipts. You get coins, points, you cash them out for gift cards. I've been using it for a long time. I'll have a referral link in the description. But they went up on the coin.
So it used to be, I think you got like 5 5 points or coins. When it was under 50, over 50, you got 10. So now it's 25 up to $49.99. And then when you hit $50, you get 50. So 25 to 50.
Anyways, it adds up really, really fast. And so I'm almost close to cashing out another $5 gift card. So I'll have a link in the description. Just something to add, y'all. It's easy. You don't gotta do nothing but scan the receipts, all right? Don't gotta buy nothing fancy-mancy. Don't gotta play no games and do no surveys unless you really want to. I just scan receipts. And so I'll have a link in the description for that. I'll have a link for the Belvita as well. And what else? I think that's basically it. I'm hoping that the native resets for Walmart rewards because I'm so going to do that deal again. Other than that, let me run through this real quick. All right, so everything that you see here reaches $125.83. We had $16 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $109.83. Our sales tax was $7.27. And then getting back $44.48 from Ibotta. Upromise is $30.50. Walmart rewards $18.96. Field agent $10.74. Checkoff 51 was $5.60. The Belvita one is $5. I didn't get a notifications email after I submitted that, so I hope it works out. Shopkick $3.20, and last but not least, Fetch was $3. We're getting back a total of $121.48. It makes this all an $11.65 moneymaker, which is pretty cool. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you got something out of it, you learned something new, definitely hit that like button on your way out the door. I want to see, what do I want to see? Yeah, I know we did a pig before. Did we do a pig before? Let's do a pig. Let's do a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Is there a pig nose emoji? If there is, let me see it in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.